Hello, my name is Sirgio, but you can call me Sirg, and today I'm doing my first ever unwrapping of something. Text message. Okay, so whenever I get something, I'm going to unwrap it, and we're gonna see what I got. Okay, so first of all, this is from Asos, and got it a couple weeks ago. Got like last week, and they came on time, and I got a notification saying it was delivered. I look outside, nowhere. I walked all the way downstairs, 4 flights of stairs, and it was right outside of the mailbox. Bitch. FedEx is lazy as hell. Anyway, so so this is the packaging. I'll do this. Okay, so it's actually two things. So got a little bag. That's cute. So you can hold it. I'm like, how are you gonna leave it downstairs in front of the mailbox? Anybody can get it. This is not cheap, girl. Taking them out. First of all, this comes HelloFresh. I've never used this. I feel like a lot of companies put these in here. It's like 9 free meals. I collect them. I don't do nothing with them. Okay, let's do this one. So we got 2. Let me guess what it is. I mean, you can kind of tell right now. So, first one is a silver Chelsea boot. Oh, wow. So, first of all, I got these boots. So, both of them are boots. Okay? I got these boots because, first of all, my friend Lawrence, he's an Asos king. Okay? So, he gets a lot of stuff from Asos, and he got some boots from Asos. I'm like, okay, these are cute. Let me see what they got. Found some boots and got them myself. And by the way, I love Chelsea boots. I love heel boots as well. So definitely went on Asos and got a few. So these are the first one. So these are silver. You can't really do the makeup thing, but they're silver boots. They're size 11. I wear a size 11. And I'm hoping they work. They're actually wide fit. Bottoms, back. Yes, they're silver. I don't really wear silver that often, but I'm getting into it. But yeah, variety, right? And touching it, a little glitter comes off, a little bit, not that much, not a lot at all. We're gonna try it on. Okay, let's see. Anything else? Has the Asos sign inside. Oh, they fit like a glove, girl. Okay. Okay. I'm flexible. Okay. Now, let's walk. Cute. It's cute. So cute. We call it Asos Design Wide Fit Stacked Heel Western Chelsea Boot in Silver Glitter. That's a lot. Like on the website. It doesn't look like this silver on the website, on the app, but this is actually what I wanted. I wanted something that looks really silver, and I like it. So let's look at the second one. And got leather black. Same heel. Okay. So yeah, this is the second one. Yeah. Okay, so let's try them on. This is cute. Oh, and they're also size 11, but they're not wide fit. So let's see. Let's put them on. Put them on. Fits like a glove, girl. Mm. And so these are 2 boots. And yeah, it's like night and day. Yes. I wonder if we can match. No. But yeah, these are 2 boots I got so far from Asos. Okay. So thank you all so much for watching. Like this video. Comment down below what you like. Comment down below your favorite one. Do you like, I would say, boot A or boot E? Yes. Alright, comment down below and subscribe to see more. Okay. Thank you for watching and see y'all later. Bye.